how to add animation in Kinemaster using your phone. It's a game changer if you want to bring your text, images or videos to life. So let's dive right in. First, import your video where you want to add the animation into. Once you import it, tap on the text like this. Once you tap it, now in the right hand panel you can see in animation right here. Tap on it. You will see several options right here. Tap on whichever you would like. Choose any from here. Now once you tap on it, animation is added on your text. Let us preview it. Simple and easy. Once you are happy with the animation, tap the export and choose your resolution and quality, and you are done. You have just learned how to add animation in Kinemaster. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. Thank you for watching.